Hello, everyone. I hope you're all doing okay. I hope the universe is smiling on all of us. And I just want to show you an application today that really helps a lot of trader, and it really helped me at the beginning of my trading journey. So when I came across trading in 2016, there was really no mentors around, and I think the mentorship fee was so much that I could not even afford that mentorship fee, and so I had to rely on my own research and a lot of things like that. So it was really very difficult for me, and after a period of time, I had to give up. It was not until 2021 that I took up trading again, and I decided to take it very seriously. Now, when I finished school, when I finished the university, I left from the Calib University of Bamenda, and I decided not to continue school, not to pick up on any job, but to explore, right, and to find my own thing. And it brought me back to trading. And by then, I did not really have enough, and I did not really have everything that I needed. But one thing that I learned was that you don't really need to have everything for you to get started. So if you're waiting to have everything before you get started, it is going to be very difficult for you to start. So I see a lot of people, they are going to tell me that, oh, I don't have this, I don't have this, I don't want to get started now, I don't have a good phone, I don't have a laptop. But when I started, this phone that I am using now was not the phone that I used to use. I usually had one small Alcatel phone, and what I did was that I downloaded this application that I am going to be showing you, and I started learning from it bit by bit, and that is how knowledge compounded. So what you should know is that if you're always waiting for the right time to get started, you're never going to find the right time. So now is the best time for you to start, and with whatever you have. And as you go along the way, trust that everything that you need will be made available for you in due time. So don't wait until you have everything. Don't say, I'm going to wait until I have everything before I am going to get started. Just start with what you have. And this application is a very good application. So if you have not already signed up or fulfill the requirements for the Learn to Trade and Pay After program, then this is the best time for you to do that. Imagine when I started trading, I never had anybody to mentor me, but now you have the opportunity, and somebody is available, people are available to mentor you for free. So you see that you are very lucky, and God really has your back. So if you're watching me from YouTube and you have not yet signed up for the program, the link is in the description, and you can click on the WhatsApp link to join the Telegram, the WhatsApp channel, and you're going to see the requirements there. So the requirements for you to be part of the program is just for you to create an XNES account with the link, fund it with the minimum, with at least the minimum. Then you get to me, and we are going to check, and then you're going to be eligible for the program. So I am yet to start adding people. I know a lot of people have already created their accounts, and I know all of them. And I am going to start adding you to the main group in no time. So just be patient. So I've already said a lot. So I never intended for this video to be a very long video. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, if you're watching us from YouTube, please just make sure to subscribe to the channel. All right. So as you take up your Forex journey and you take up this Learn to Trade and Pay After program, you need all the knowledge that you can find. And this is one of the ways that I started doing my Forex journey with, and I recommend it to you. That is why I'm going to show you. So what you need to do is you go to the Play Store, and when you go to Play Store, you're going to search day trading, and it is going to give you this application, day trading simulator and games. So you can see I already have it installed, right? And what you just need to do is to install the application. Once it is installed, you can come and then you open the application. And where you need to go to, you need to go to learn. So you're going to see we have learn, we have games, we have practice, we have profile, we have settings. So what is of interest to you is the learn. But if you want to change the language, depending on what language that you speak, you can come and change the language here. All right. So what is really important for us is to come to learn. And when you come to learn, you're going to see we have lessons on the basics. We have bullish candlesticks. We have bearish candlesticks. We have technical indicators, fundamental analysis. So what you need to do is you come, you click on basics, and on basics you're going to see what is technical analysis, key terms used, the limitations of technical analysis, and a lot of lessons that you can go through. All right. So let's go for example, what is technical analysis? Now, it is either you can read or you can let it play for you, right? So you can let it read for you or you can let it play for you. So if you're too lazy to read, you can just play it out and let it read it out for you. So if I want this to read for me, I'll just click on the play.
What is technical analysis? Technical analysis is a method of evaluating securities by analyzing statistics generated by market activity.
Okay, so you see now that learning has been made so simple, and even if you don't know how to read, you can still play this out and you listen to it, right? So it is one great opportunity that you can learn from. When you're done with the lesson, you're going to see an arrow at the bottom right side of your device, and you just need to click on it. Once you click on it, it is going to take you to the next lesson. When you're done with a lesson, you click on it, it is going to take you to the next lesson. So these lessons are not going to take you more than 5 minutes for you to read. And if you tell yourself that I am going to be going through these lessons, each lesson daily, I think uh, one lesson daily is a cannot be more than you. All right, cannot be more than you. Even if you're so lazy, even if you're so busy, one lesson per day cannot be more than you. All right. So this is a very simple way that you can learn, and it offers very simple and straightforward uh, lessons for you. Okay, so once you're done, you can do the foundations of trading tests, all of those things. When you come back to learn, you're going to see bullish candlesticks. Technical analysis has to do with candlesticks. And what are candlesticks? Candlesticks are the language of the market. They represent how price moves. And when you get into any field of endeavor, you're going to see that each field has its own language that it speaks. So when you get to the chemistry department, it has a language that it speaks. You get to physics, you get to geography, whatever field that you get into, it has a language that it speaks. So when you come into forex trading, you need to understand the language that forex speaks, and it is going to help you a lot. And the language that forex speaks is through candlesticks. So you need to understand what is a hammer, what is a morning star, three white soldiers, all of these things. You need to understand them. It is not about you mastering the names of these things, but you understanding what each is telling you. All right, so there is no need for you trying to cram all of these names that you see here, but understanding what each of them is telling you. So as we begin our lesson, starting from the 15th of September, you are still going to come across all of these things. We are still going to explain it to you detailedly. But you can do yourself a favor by going through these things before we even want to start learning. All right. So once you take up trading, you need to understand that you have taken up a process of continuous learning. You need to learn. And despite the fact that we are going to be teaching you everything, you need to also put in your own personal effort if you need to really go far in trading. So consider that yourself that you have gotten into university year one, and it is going to take you university year one, university year two, university year three, and for you to graduate. All right, so don't be in a rush. The reason why most people fail in trading is because they are rushing to make profit. And when you rush the process, you probably are not going to see that success that you want to see in trading. So we have both bullish candlesticks, bearish candlesticks, and all of them are represented here. And you just need to click on it, and it is going to teach you technical indicators, moving averages, what are Bollinger Bands, what are Fibonacci retracement, all of those technical uh, indicators that you're going to see, you're going to have them here. You're going to read about them here. Fundamental analysis basics, financial statement, company fundamentals, industry analysis, all of those things. You're going to see all of them given to you here. All right. And as you go ahead with your lessons, you're going to come here. You can track your progress here. Once you go through the test as well, you're going to see the number of tests that you've passed, and you could come to the simulator and you practice your trading here without having to waste your money. All right. So if you haven't registered for the program, then please click on the link in the description, and you're going is going to be to lead you to the WhatsApp group, and you just need to fulfill the necessary conditions. If you've already fulfilled the necessary conditions, you just need to leave me a message, and I am going to start adding people to the group very, very soon. All right. So, my friends, this is a good application for you to use. This is good information for you to use, and you start growing your knowledge day by day. Remember that Rome was not built in one day, and so you need to embrace that continuous learning in your trading. You need to start from somewhere in order to get somewhere. So this is a good point for you to start. This is a good point for you to start mastering your technical analysis or gaining more knowledge in trading. And you don't need to rush the process. You can take it one lesson per day is good enough for you. All right. So if you really like what you're hearing, and if you want to keep up with everything that we share on the channel, please make sure to click the link in the description to join our Telegram channel. Make sure that you hit on the subscribe button and also hit that notify button, so that anytime that we drop a content, you're going to be one of the first people to get notified when we drop this our content. So there are a lot of things on the channel for you to learn, and it is very, very easy for you to learn nowadays if you get into the right avenues. So I wish you all the best in your respective endeavors, be it trading, be it whatever you do in your life. May the universe continue to guide, protect, and provide for you each and every step of the way. God bless you all, and see you in the program. Bye bye.